Okay. So in the last class, we discussed about the unit number 4, that is theory of game. It When we talk of game, it involves two or more participants or players in a situation of competition or contest for a certain outcome. So we were discussing theory of games, and we have also discussed about the strategies, the sums of loss and gain, and then we discussed something about the two-player game where there is a saddle point. So here, this was the question that was given to us. So in this, we had two players, player A and player B. There are three strategies for player B, that is B1, B2, B3, and two strategies for player A, that is A1 and A2. So we had to determine the optimal strategy for player A and B, also determining the value of game. Okay, is the game fair? Is strictly determinable? Okay, so in this we were the payoff matrix is when you have that A is assumed to be the gainer and B is assumed to be the loser, and in this we will select for A, we will select the minimum value for the row minima. When we call, why we calculate row minima is because we want to see what is the what is the maximum chance of having a loss to the player A. So we take the minimum value. So that is the maximum chance for that particular strategy. And for the loss. Similarly, for player B, we are calculating the column maxima because column maxima indicates the maximum loss that player B can have if player A is playing with certain strategy. For each strategy, we are calculating the maximum loss that can occur to player B, and then we calculate the row minimax and max min for these two rows that we are and columns that we have calculated. Okay, so if these row minima and column maxima is coinciding at a point, then we call it as a saddle point, and the saddle point gives us the game value. So player A tries to maximize his profit and player B tries to minimize his profit. If I remember this last class, there was some doubt at this point. So if anybody is having any doubt, please ask me now. I think Aditya, you were having some doubt, so you can ask me now. Hello,
Yes,
hello,
sir.
Aditya,
Just
you can ask the question now.
yeah, like the saddle point, sir. Saddle
Hmm.
point at the in their figure we have highlighted, sir. See, in that at -2. That part
Yes,
I had got it.
this part. Okay, what I'll do is I'll again
Yes.
write these values and we'll try to. Okay, here this part, na.
Mm.
Okay, what I'll do is I'll again write the values and we'll take one more example. That way it will be much better. Okay. Hello, students. Is it audible now? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, I got disconnected. That's why I was not able to. You were not able to hear me. So let us take one example. The payoff matrix. Let us take one more example. Question number 2. The payoff matrix. The payoff matrix of a game. The payoff matrix of a game is given below. Is given below. Okay. Find the solution. Find the optimal. Find the optimal solution of game. Solution of game to player A, to player A and B. Okay, so the values for A and B are given. So we have 5 strategies: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 strategies for player B. And similarly, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 strategies for player A. Okay, so this is the payoff matrix that is being given to us in the problem. Okay, so just try to understand that these are straight lines. It's difficult to draw them looking at the screen and drawing at the board. Okay, so let me write the values here. So this is -2, this is 0, 0, 5, 3, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, -4, -3, 0, -2, 6, 5, 3, -4, 2, -6. Okay, so if this is the problem, first thing we need to do is we need to find the for solution. If the solution is to be given, first is to find minimax value or maxi-min value. Maxi-min value. So how to find maxi-min value? So you have to write the row minima. You will again draw the table and will write row minima. So what is a row minima? Row minima is the minimum value for that particular row. So for row 1, what is the minimum value?
-2.
The minimum value for row 1, -2, correct. This is -2. For second row, what is the minimum value? 1. What is the minimum value for third row? -4. Next is -6.
6.
Correct? Correct, Aditya? Now at this
Yes.
point, what I'm going to do is, wherever this -2 is available in this row, at that particular element, I'm going to make a square. Why this square is needed? Just to show that this element is the minimum value. Okay. Similarly, here I am going to make a square. Okay. Next, here also I am going to make a square. And similarly, here also I am going to make a square. What does this square indicate? This square indicates that this is the minimum value for minimum value of each row. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it correct? Is it correct? Okay. Then this was step 1. So step 2. Step 2 is to find mini-max. Mini-max value. Mini-max value. Here, what is the maximum value? What is the maximum value? Maximum value is this 1. Okay, we were supposed to call calculate maximin. So maximin is 1, correct? So now we want to calculate minimax. So for minimax, again I'm going to
Maximin means
maximin means maximum of minimum values.
okay.
Maximum of minimum values. Okay, minimax means minimum of maximum values. Okay, so again I'm going to draw the table. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The values are -2, 0, 0, 5, 3. Next is 3, 2, 1, 2, 2. Correct? The next is -4, -3, 0, -2, 6. Correct? Last values are, what is the fourth row? 5, 3, -4, 2, -6. Correct? Are the values correct? Let me just check. 20053, 20053, 32122, 32122, -3, -4, -3, 0, -26, -4, -3, 0, -26, and 5, 3, -4, 2, -6. Correct values? Okay, and these are strategies 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is for player A. This one is for player B. Now here when we are talking of player B, we will calculate the maximum of each column. Mini max. Okay, so maximum of each column. What is the maximum value here? 5. Correct? Maximum value here is 3. Correct? Maximum value here is 1. Maximum value here is 5. Maximum value here is 6. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us take the wherever this maximum value is, where there we will make a circle. Just hold on for a second, students. Sir, जो आपने लिस्ट दी थी ना, Okay, sorry students. So let us continue with our problem. So as I was saying here, hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay. Okay. So wherever this maximum value is, we will create these circles. So let us create circles. So it will be here, 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 and here. Correct. What is the maximum minimum value of these maximum values? So this is 1. Correct. Is it correct?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it correct, students? Okay. Now for saddle point, what we are going to do is we are going to see the maximum these values, these boxes. So we are going to create another table. You will have to create, but since I'll create here itself, but you people will have to create another table for step 3. Okay, for step 3, that is saddle point. Step 3 is saddle point. For saddle point, you will again have to create the same table, but with the both values. So here it will be square, then here it will be a square, then here it will be a square, and then here it will be a square. If the square and circle coincides, if the circle and square coincides, then we call it as a saddle point. Then we call it as a saddle point. Okay, as the max, min, and minimum values of the game coincides, it is called saddle point. And here the value is equal to 1. Here the value is equal to 1. Is it understood now, Aditya? Is there any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Anyone else? Anyone else having any doubts? Anyone having any other doubts? Now, who will
No,
tell
sir.
me the optimal strategy? What is? Yeah, yes, Swati, tell me. Is there any doubt? Swati, is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So who will tell me the optimal strategy? What is the optimal strategy?
Second one, no, sir. Is it?
Optimal strategy for A and for B. For A, what is the optimal strategy? So for A, the saddle point is at strategy number
3.
2. Correct?
Okay. By the row.
हाँ, ये ऊपर ही रख दो, कोई कुछ नहीं होगा, वहीं रख दो, कोई नहीं. Okay, for A, the strategy is 2. Correct? And what about B? For B, the minimum value is this. So that is strategy number 3. So at the end of the answer, you are supposed to write the optimal strategy for player A is 2, for player B is 3, and value of game is equal to 1. Value of game is equal to 1. Correct? Is it
Yes,
understood
sir.
now? Any doubts? Any doubts? Anyone
No, sir.
having any doubts? Srikanth, 304. Srikanth, 304.
Sir.
Can you unmute yourself? Any doubts, Srikanth?
No, sir.
Balaji, is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Mahesh, 310. 19310, Mahesh. Mahesh. Mahesh, any doubts?
No, sir.
This is quite an easy problem. Any doubts? Okay. So I hope there isn't any doubt. So let us move to one more problem, one more example. After that, we can move to the next type of problems. Let us take one more example. So I'm not going to solve this. You people will have to solve it for me. So question number 3, that is solve the game by using maximin and minimax maximin and minimax principle for the payoff matrix shown in the as given in the table below, as given in the table below. Okay, so this was the question for R9 JNTU. So you can solve this. So we have here player B, then here it is player A. For player B it is B1, B2, B3 and B4. For player A it is A1, A2, A3. Okay, so you have this table like this. And the values are 1, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 7, 2, 0, 3. Now how to solve the problem? Who will solve the problem? Somebody who should come up and solve the problem. Who will solve it?
Sir, me.
Yes. Aditya, you please wait. Let others take the chance. Anyone,
Okay, sir.
any other person who is willing to solve this problem? Kanna, can you solve the problem? 308. 308. Okay, Gautam, 306. 306. Gautam. Hello. Why others aren't responding? Okay, Rohit, 337, 337. Can you unmute yourself? These people never respond. Saushil, 323. Saushil, can you unmute yourself? Saushil?
Yes, sir.
Saushil, how to solve the problem? What should be the first step? First step is to find the row minimum. Okay. Hello, please respond, Saushil. Your voice is not clear. Hello. Saushil, please respond. Kaushil, we can't hear you. Okay, there is some problem with your mic, I think. Okay, you mute yourself. What about Jeevan? Jeevan, 336. Kaushil, mute yourself. 336. Jeevan. Jeevan. Okay. Hello. Jeevan, not responding. Jagdish, 302. Jagdish. Rajesh, 303. 304. Shrikant. 304. Shrikant.
Sir.
Shrikant, can you solve the problem?
No, sir.
Why? When I asked you, is there any doubt? You said no, and now you are not even solving the problem. Why? Okay, I'll help you. So when you need to solve this kind of a problem, first step is to find the row minima. Can you tell me the minimum value of row 1?
1, sir.
1, correct. What is the row minima for row 2?
4.
Row 2, 4. Then last
2.
is 0.
Okay.
Correct? 0,
Yes, sir.
0. 0 is there. This is 0. So minimum is 0. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Now next step is to find the column maxima. Column maxima.
7. 7.
So for column maxima, what is the maximum value? 7,
7.
7,
7. 4. 5.
hmm,
4.
4,
5.
5. Correct?
Yes, sir.
What is the maximum of row minimas? What is the maximum
4.
value in this? 1, 4,
4.
0, 4. So I'll make a square here, and this 4 is here. So I'll make a square here. Okay. What is the minimum value here? Minimum value is
4.
this 4.
4, sir.
So again I'll make a circle here. Since the circle and square coincides, this is called
So in the exam, we have
saddle
to draw separate tables, sir, for row minima and
point.
column
Yes, in
maxima.
the exam you will have to draw separate tables
Okay.
for row minima and column maxima. You will have to draw separate tables. Then a separate table for saddle point. Okay, because if you write it here like I am writing, I am telling you, I am orally speaking it, that's why you are able to understand it. If I just draw it and keep it like this, will you be able to understand after
No, sir.
some time? Will you be able to understand this? No. Is it or
No,
not?
sir. Yes, sir.
If I just draw the table like this, will you be able to understand it?
No, sir.
That's why you have to draw separate tables. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay. So if we solve this problem, the problem is now solved. The optimal strategy is for A, it is A2, for B, it is B3. Value of game is 4. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Correct, students? Okay, so with this, I think we'll stop here.